There are 4 Gospels in the New Testament. True. The following Gospel of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. X. Jesus was born in the manger. Wrong tani ba? Ano kaya? Jesus. True. Yeah, true. And he gave birth to a firstborn, and she wrapped in his wedding clothes and let him linger, because there was no place for them in the end. So Luke chapter 2 verse 7. Jesus' mother was Sarai. False. Yeah, false. Jacob the father visited the husband of Mary, and whom Jesus was born, who is called Christ. Jesus chose 40 disciples. False. 12 disciples lang. Jesus was stoned to death. Jesus was stoned to death. Yes, bro. Oh. So wrong po tayo mga guys. Wrong. Lazarus was raised from the dead. Yes, true. Ni maho laging kuan ron. Oh. Peter betrayed Jesus with a kiss. No. Yeah, no. Betrayed Jesus to hell. Judas would betray the Son of Man with a kiss. God created man in his own image. Yeah, true. Genesis chapter 1 verse 26. Last, Peter was the only disciple of Jesus. Yeah, true. And then Adam built the ark. No. Yay. Isa lang po ang wrong natin. God bless sa lahat na nanonood.